Hey, Misok, so we we we're kind of looking for someone who can actually help us start tracking our content. Basically all the content that's coming out on our blog, the usual stuff that where the content traffic for all the channels that the content traffic usually feeds from. So we want to set it up properly on Google Analytics. So right now, this is how our analytics on GA looks like. There's just some tracking set up already, and currently, how if I want to see the performance of past blocks, I could just do this filter by post, and this is what it looks like, and I can probably see how um, the previous articles were performing. Yep. So what I think, to better plan it out, or if you would advise otherwise, if Google Tag Manager is something that we'll need or not, that would be great if you could just weigh in if we actually need it or not. So what I did for you is I've kind of listed down maybe the content goals that we were planning to look at, and you can probably advise just go in and see if our GA is properly set up to track these goals, or and if we need a Google Tag Manager set up as well. So what we need to track, or what we want to see when we create a content marketing report in Google Data Studio, is the month-on-month traffic. So we want to the reason why we can do this is just so we can see how we can improve them and get more people to convert from them, reverse engineer the success, and start replicating the success framework of our articles. Next, we want to see lead generation, which is sort of categorized as signups that we receive on our Shopify app store. So what we are is an SMS app for Shopify stores. So what would happen is that they would first land on the app store over here, and the success would be if when they create account right after they choose their plan. And then next thing that we want to track is probably the brand awareness. It's mostly traffic coming in from social media when we share an article that's published. So I've kind of listed down the traffic and content sources that we have over here. um, Please let me know if you need more info on this, and I'll try to get them for you. And these are the content marketing wins that we want to see, the leads that we're getting from content each month, trial signups. This is how we probably attribute it to the leads, account creations, newsletter signups if possible, and then as well as the downloads that are coming from our white paper and ebook from our content funnels that we launch in the future. The next thing we want to check is probably brand visibility, probably checking search query impressions and things like that. So I'm not sure, if we do need a Google Tag Manager setup, please let me know, and I can get the materials for you if you need anything from me. One thing to note is that we're not using WordPress as our content marketing system. We're using Webflow. From what I know, there's sort of a tracking code that's already embedded in this. Yeah, for the I think GA has a unique tracking code, so that's already in Webflow. So yeah, looking forward to having you fix or set up this content marketing tracking system for us.